This game between Zeissl, 2400, and Walthoffen, 2380, is a great example of the Schliemann defense in the Ruy López. The Schliemann defense is an aggressive counterattack, immediately challenging White's control over the center. Black sacrifices structure for active play. White plays ambitiously, trying to open the center early. However, this hands Black an opportunity to counter quickly. White should have played bishop e2, keeping more control over the position. Queen f5 check forces White's knight to c3, interfering with White's development. White loses a key pawn, and Black takes over the initiative. Bishop d2 was best. Black now has a pawn up, so he must roll to White's kingside to attack. Mistake. White should have developed queenside pieces first. It controls the center and chases the enemy bishop to go back. Is inaccurate. It fails to strengthen White's position and allows Black to develop their pieces aggressively. This leaves White vulnerable to an immediate attack. A more defensive move, like knight e2, would have been a better choice. Black plays bishop d6, eyeing h7, and preparing a direct assault with queen h5 and knight g4. If White fails to react properly, Black's attack can become overwhelming very quickly. White fails to prevent Black's kingside attack. Bishop f4 was better. Bishop f3 is an aggressive and logical move. It is not the most precise. A more direct plan like queen h5 would have immediately increased the pressure on White without allowing defensive chances. Queen f5 is inaccurate because it wastes a tempo and allows White to improve their position. Knight d1 is an error that allows Black to checkmate in 4 moves. It was better, knight take e4, but Black has already lost the game. Black's attack is decisive. Now threatens mate in 2 moves. Checkmate. Black's attack is unstoppable. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more top-level chess analysis move by move.